self-styled godman Bajinder Singh is in trouble. An FIR has been filed against the prophet Bajinder Singh by Kapurthala police. Bajinder Singh is accused of sexual harassment. 22-year-old victim has filed a complaint. The victim claims that she was sexually harassed for over 5 years and that the victim says that she was touched inappropriately by the accused. The victim further says that her family is being threatened and is being stalked. Now, after this entire incident, an FIR has been filed against the self-styled godman Bajinder Singh, who seems to be in trouble. Now, the FIR has been filed by Kapurthala police, and he's been accused of sexual harassment by a 22-year-old. The 22-year-old victim has filed a complaint saying that she was being sexually harassed by the self-styled godman for over 5 years, and that the accused touched her inappropriately. She also claims that her family is being threatened and is being stalked. And after the entire incident, an FIR has been filed by the victim by the Kapurthala police. So in the latest that we're getting, a self-styled godman Bajinder Singh is in trouble. The FIR has been filed against Prophet Bajinder Singh by Kapurthala police. Bajinder Singh is accused of sexually harassing a 22-year-old. The 22-year-old victim has filed a complaint saying that she was sexually harassed by Bajinder Singh for over 5 years. She says that she was touched inappropriately by the accused and that now her family is being threatened and is being stalked. After the entire incident, an FIR has been filed against the accused. My colleague Aman Bhardwaj is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Aman, give us more details on who this person exactly is. We know that he's a self-styled godman and he's been accused of sexually harassing a 22-year-old girl.
Exactly, and he's been booked now under section 354A and 354D and section 504. And the allegation are on Bajinder Singh by the girl in Kapurthala, and she has filed a complaint that she's been harassed sexually, and she was in touch with Bajinder Singh when she was 17 years old, and since then he's been exploiting her and he's been harassing her. And for the same, Kapurthala police in Punjab has booked Bajinder Singh. And Bajinder Singh, let me tell you that he is in Punjab famous with his religious so-called religious activities that he does for promoting Christianity in Punjab. And for several times he has been under such questions that he's been promoting even Christianity, but there are other allegations by the SGPC or other religious group in Punjab that he's been he's making a misconduct with other religious sentiments as well. So he does, and several times he's viral also on social media platforms by the activities he does, and he has several centers where he organizes his own programs to such large events to promote Christianity and his own agenda, where several people several people have made several allegations against him as well. So, but this time he's been booked under section 354A, 354D under sexual harassment, and police is now investigating the matter that how come, what's the truth behind this allegation, and though FIR has been lodged, but any sections to be added or not, any section of 376 or so to be added in the FIR, and where the investigation that of this FIR will lead to against this Bajinder Singh.
Absolutely, Aman. Thanks for bringing us those details on that story.